In celebration of a new exhibit that has just opened up at the Imagination Station called Grow You, we're going to explore the appearance of plants. Joining me now with more is Sarah Neff. And Sarah, welcome in.
Hi.
This could be your debut and you're going to be talking about science. Doesn't get better than this, does it?
Right.
All right, what do we have going on here? Of course, this is in relation to Grow You, which just opened up at the Imagination Station.
Right.
This is going to be completely focused on agriculture. So what's the experiment we're going to be getting into today?
All right, well, with the opening of Grow You yesterday, and it's finally spring, things are starting to bloom and pop up. So I thought we would talk about acid-base chemistry.
Okay.
I myself don't have much of a green thumb, so everything on this table is about all I can keep alive.
We're set up for failure then, because I don't have it either. So, all right, but the science part of this, we can handle this. So what are we going to do? What's the first step to get into this?
Well, hydrangeas are going to start blooming soon, and they come in all those great colors, blues, purples, pinks, and there's some cool science behind where those colors come from. So hydrangeas that are grown in a soil that has a lot of acidic components are going to be your pinks and your reds, and those that come out of an alkaline soil are going to be a lot more blue and purple.
Really?
Yes.
So it's not necessarily just the plant itself, it's the environment that it's in.
Right.
Okay.
So gardeners can actually mix their own components, add those to the soil, and get those desired colors.
Who knew this?
Right.
I'm learning
Pretty cool.
stuff already. Okay.
So we're actually going to start over here.
Okay.
Now we have a pot of golden flowers that I actually made. Like I said.
Very artistic.
Thank you.
I like them.
It's about all I can keep alive. So we are going to test these for the presence of acids and bases.
Okay.
Now this golden color actually is a pigment from the goldenrod plant.
Okay.
So we are going to start out with a base. Now what we're looking to happen is a color change. If we see a color change, that means that the presence is there.
Okay.
So we're going to start with a base, and we have some ammonia.
Okay, in the bottle right here.
Yes, and I'm going to have you spritz our flowers.
Okay. Just the front of them like this?
Sure.
Okay.
And don't be shy, there you go.
All right.
So we see some great color change happening, right?
Very cool,
They're turning dark, dark red, so we know that base is present. But maybe you change your mind and you decide you like them better yellow.
I do.
You do?
Yes.
Perfect.
So I've changed my mind already.
All right. Well, what we can do is we can actually reverse what we did with the ammonia, which was a base, by adding something else.
Okay.
So what do you think we should add to counteract our base?
Something that's acidic.
Very good.
Okay.
So in our next bottle, we've got some vinegar.
Very acidic.
Yes.
Okay.
So we are going to actually spritz our flowers again with the vinegar.
All right.
And go ahead and douse those. You can load them up with the vinegar.
Oh, that did pretty good.
And as you see, that yellow color is starting to show back through, and the red is kind of fading away because we've counteracted our base with an acid.
I'm impressed.
Thank you. So we have taken it back to its original color. Pretty neat.
All with science, a few simple ingredients.
Exactly.
That did that reaction.
Right.
Okay.
So we've got something even better, though.
Okay.
So if we look over here, of course we do. On this side of the table, we have all these big white blooms, and these actually kind of look like hydrangeas. Now, they're all white, and they're pretty, but we could probably jazz them up a little bit.
Okay.
So I actually treated all of these with an indicator.
Okay.
Indicators come in a variety of colors, and I picked two for today. I picked a red and a blue.
Okay.
The problem is, I can't remember which one is which.
Hate when that happens.
Right. So we are going to use another base to test for the presence.
Okay.
So let's start with this one.
Okay. And so I'm done with these here?
You're done with those.
Okay. Slide those off to the side.
Now we have a 50-50 chance of getting it right.
Okay.
So do we think this one's going to be red or blue?
It's going to be red.
Okay, I
don't know why. I'm just feeling it.
Okay. You're the expert.
Okay. Well, I don't know about that one. So we're going to use this.
Yep, and this is a base.
Okay.
So if we see a color change, that's a good thing.
Ready to go?
Go right ahead.
It's looking purple.
It is.
To me.
So we were wrong. But that's okay. That's part of science.
Yep.
Exactly. So let's try this one.
Okay. Go again?
Go right ahead.
Man.
Oh, we got another blue one. I swear, there are some red ones in here.
Well, we'll find out, won't we?
Right.
Okay.
All right, you pick the next one.
Let's go for a taller one.
All right.
There we go.
There we go.
What is the secret ingredient in here that we're using?
We are adding a base that's actually sodium hydroxide.
Okay.
And that is reacting with the indicator that's on our flower, making that great color change. So if you'd like to spritz the other ones, go right ahead. We've got a whole beautiful
could lay
bouquet.
a little bit down right now?
Sure.
Why not? I feel like a florist now. This is cool.
You might have another career.
Just maybe. All right.
Maybe.
You're right. So we're getting a good mix of them.
Right, and this is the same thing that kind of happens with hydrangeas. So based on the components found in their soil, it's going to vary the colors found in the blooms.
Excellent.
And we have something similar that you can do on our website, imaginationstationtoledo.org. If you remember, we came in a couple weeks ago and we brought a head of red cabbage.
Yes.
And you peel the leaves off and you can either boil them on the stove or throw them in a blender with some water.
This. Yep.
And that makes your own indicator. You just drain off the liquid and you can test things around your house.
How easy is that?
Exactly.
That is awesome. You guys are going to be doing stuff like this with the Grow You exhibit that just debuted at the Imagination Station. So Sarah, we appreciate your time this morning.
Thank you.
What a fun and exciting science experiment.